Hi, in this video we are going to see the integration of ZIETrans APIs in the Domino Volt application. First, let us create the Domino Volt application using Domino Volt application manager. This is the name of the application. Now let us check the ZIETrans REST API which we are going to integrate in this application. Here we have 4 ZIETrans REST APIs. We are going to get the first API, which is get customer credit limit entry. In this API, upon entering the customer number, we are going to get JSON output from the REST API with few of the customer personal details and credit limit details. Let us create the application here. So here, upon entering the customer number, we are going to display all the details. So this will be the input for the REST API. Now let us create the output section here. Customer city, customer's credit limit details, then the balance due. So now let us configure the ZIETrans REST API. Here, upon entering the customer number, we are going to run the API. So let us configure on item change event here. Select the call your service. Here enter the ZIETrans API URL. Now let's go next. Now we need to configure the form element to the REST API input. So select the customer number field from the application and configure it to the REST API. So automatically the value entered in the customer number will be mapped to the REST API. Now let us configure the output section. In this section, we are just displaying three fields: city, then the balance due, and credit limit. Go next. And so this is the service name and URL which we have entered. And this particular ID can be used to invoke the same REST API using the JavaScript of the Domino Volt application. Apply, say OK, save the changes. Now we can preview the same. Preview has opened up. Let us enter the customer number, and as you see, the data is popped up automatically upon keeping the cursor out of the customer number. So REST API in the backend has run and then gave the details here. So this is about integrating the ZIETrans API in the Domino Volt application. Thank you.